Hi all, welcome to the Salesforce campus. So now today we will start DataMapper transform actions and the conditional view. So in the DataMapper, I think we have already completed like the DataMapper extract and DataMapper turbo extract. So that two things we have already completed. Now today we will discuss about some conditional viewing on the data mapper. Okay, so whatever the practice which we have already done, we will open that OmniStudio, or which we can say like that OmniScript. So have you remember that which OmniScript we have created? So this OmniScript we have created in our early sessions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
no, not this one. So this one we have created. Okay. Now today we will discuss the conditional view. There is one section which is saying like that conditional view means suppose that if you are entering anything on this account, okay, suppose that I'm entering some account name, and when we're clicking on the next, as this account is not available, so related contact is not appearing. Okay, so that things we need to handle it. Means if the account is not there, then don't show this contact information. Instead of this, show the message saying like that there is no any contact related to this account. Same for like this opportunity. If there is no any opportunity related to that account, we need to show the message saying like that there is no any opportunity related to this account. Okay, got you the scenario what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so we need to give the condition on this. Okay, on this block. So we're not hiding the block, we are just hiding this. Sorry, we're not hiding the steps, we are just hiding this block, saying like that if the contact is not there, then don't show this block. Okay, so here I will give the conditional block and I will give this so element, and I have to give the field. Now which field I need to give it means when we need to hide this. So for seeing like that, first we need to give the preview. I'm giving some account name like global media, clicking on the next. Okay, so see here it's coming as a contact details. Okay, so if the contact details is empty, means if there is no any contacts in the contact details, then you have to hide it. Correct? Are you getting what I'm saying?
It's
Okay, so go to this contact information and go to the conditional view, show element of true. If this equal to null or does not equal to null, then only show that block. Correct? If this will be true, this will be true, then only show that block. Okay, correct? Now I'm saving it and clicking on the preview and giving the global media, clicking on the next. Now this contact information is coming successfully. Now going to this preview and giving some random account which is not available, clicking on the next. So see, okay, so still it's not working, our condition is not working. Let me check why it's not working. I think we need to give the condition on the contacts, not on the contact details, because in the contact details is there. So we are saving it. Still it's coming. I don't know why it's taking it. Account search, account name, contact details. Contact is also coming it here. It should come as a blank. This should not show it. So I'm putting the correct. Okay, so now it's working. So suppose that if I'm giving the contact, now I'm giving the preview and give the final version. If I'm giving this name, global media, it is coming successfully. Okay. Now, if we are giving the wrong, means the account which is not existing, account is existing, but related to that contact is not existing, then that information should not appear. Okay. That contact information is not coming. Now I have to give it one message here, like that. There is no contact related to this account. Correct? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes.
So for giving the message, we need to give text block. Okay. There is a text also, but text is for input field and text block is for giving the message. Now I have to give it a message. Here I'm saying that there is no contact related to this account. Okay. Now if you want to make it, and suppose that I want to make it as a red, not this is the background one, leave the background as it is. Just I'm making little bit. Okay. So now there is no contact related to this account. Now save it. Now this message will appear when. So this also we need to give some message. So element, if the same thing, contacts here, when if it's equal to this value, then you have to show it. Correct? Now preview. Global media, save it. So that message is not coming. Correct? Now going to this, going to the preview, and I'm giving the any other things. Give me a minute. Okay, now I'm clicking on the next. See, our message is coming. There is no contact related to this account. Are you getting that? Means why we are using the conditional view? This conditional view. What is the use of this conditional view? Correct?
Yes.
Kunal, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. So this contact information we have done the conditional. Suppose that for opportunity also. Okay. So this opportunity, this
Just one question to this. Just like
yeah,
we are making like this block to appear based on a certain condition. Can
mhm.
we have like multiple blocks and like based on one condition, one block is visible and on if the condition changes, then the other block is
Yeah,
visible.
that also we can do on the basis of the condition. So suppose that if there is a
Okay.
two block, suppose that you have entered here one block, okay, and you want to give some other condition on this block and some other condition on this block, so that also will work.
Okay.
Now I'm going to this opportunity and I'm putting the condition on this opportunity. So first we need to check like that what is the node of this block. Okay, so I think the node of this block is opportunity only. So copy this opportunities and go for conditional view. Click on this opportunities. This should be does not equal to null, then only show this. Okay, this one you should have to understand, means what is the meaning of this. So this will be true, then only it will show, means if the opportunity is not equal to null, then only show that block. Okay, I'm clicking on that. Now preview it. So let me select this global media. Account is coming. Now opportunity is also coming. Okay, now select something different, like I'm selecting some this, clicking on the next. So it is saying there's no contact related to this account. Next, opportunity. Okay, opportunity is not there. So now I want to give other message also here. There is no opportunity related to this account. Okay, so again, which things we have to go? Text block. I have to put this text block here. Okay, write it here. There is no opportunity related to this account. Okay. Now if you want to make it as center, if you want to make it means whatever the text you want, you can make it. Right now I'm leaving it like that only. Okay, and making it save. Okay, now preview it. Give any name, click next. There is no contact related to this account. There is no opportunity related to this account. Now suppose that you want to put the account name also, means what account name you have searched there after this account. Okay, so that also we can put it. So for that we need to take this account name. Okay, so go to the design part, go to the contact, and here go to the edit, and after that give percentage and this account name. Okay, now save it, preview it. Okay, so your account name will also appear. Okay, there's no contact related to this account name. Okay, now clicking on the next, suppose that I want to put it same. So what I will do, the same thing I have to do it here also. Go to this message, click on this, and you have to give the percentage sign whenever you're giving the node value. Now you have to give that percentage sign. Okay, now save it, now preview it, click on this ABCH. Now next ABCH. Okay, so any doubt till now here in the conditional blocking or conditional messaging? You can put condition on anything here also. You can put it the condition. Okay, if there is any requirement you want to put the condition, you can put it the condition here also. There is a conditional view, everywhere you can put the condition. In the steps also you can put the conditions. Okay, here also you can put the conditions, and in this opportunity here in the steps also you can put the conditions.
Instead of previous and or next, if you want to put like the end, if there is no value, no value on, let's say, contact for account, so it should end there rather than going to the next block.
Okay, what is the requirement you are saying? Can you please clear it?
Yeah. So if there is no contact for given account,
Mm-hmm.
so we are giving the error message. After
Yes.
error message,
Mm-hmm.
there should not be any next button or previous button. It should end like that instead of
No,
like
but
next.
I think there is no any conditioning like that. If there is no any contact for that particular account, then there should be no any opportunity like that. Maybe for that particular account,
You are right. You are
opportunity is
right.
there and contact is not there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
Yeah. So
Just like this, any other scenario where like previous or next button,
yeah,
I want that next button to be conditional. Next button
that
will only exist. Hmm.
means you are saying that then in that case you need to hide this whole block. Okay, suppose that
Mm-hmm.
this whole block you need to hide it means suppose that opportunity, then here I have to give the conditional view contacts equal to this, then save it. Okay, now go to preview, give the condition abch next. Okay, next still it's coming. This is it is coming. Okay, this step I think we need to hide it. Let me check it how we can hide. Give me a minute. Here we have hided conditional view contacts equal to null. Okay, so conditional view here I'm giving, it should show only if contacts equal to null. That's not equal to null. No? That's not
Can you
equal to
check
null.
that condition type drop down?
Yeah, give me a
There is
minute.
a condition type drop down. Maybe there we can have anything.
Yeah, now it's not coming, correct? So you have to give
Yes.
that conditioning means correctly. Here I have previously I have given the wrong condition means saying like that conditional view I have given the equal to null. Okay, so you have to very careful about giving the condition saying like that contact does not equal to null or null. Okay, so Kunal,
Yes.
this is clear for you now.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes. They are.
any any doubt means in the data mapper till the data mapper which we have already discussed like data mapper extract, data mapper turbo extract we have discussed, and now conditioning also we have discussed. So till now any confusion or any problem? Have you done the practice in that?
I just started it,
Okay. So today
and
I
I
will.
I I will
Mhm.
complete it by this weekend. Whatever we have studied. Yeah.
Yeah, because if you not do the practice, then it will be a little bit difficult for understanding the next scenario. Because for learning means you can go and you learn on the YouTube. There are so many channels you can learn, but without doing the practice, na, you cannot do. Means you cannot focus on that. Means what we are learning next. Means if you do the practice, then you can come and ask me like that. Means what the
Mm-hmm.
next problem is there and what, and I will also learn so many things from you also like that. Means if you ask me.
Yes.
Okay, so now going to the next part, we are going to discuss the next part, data mapper transform. So